These are the common destinations for overseas Filipino workers. Saudi Arabia. This is a traditional and popular destination for overseas Filipino workers, with a high demand for skilled and semi-skilled workers in various sectors, including the oil industry. The country offers attractive pay packages and has been accommodating to Filipino workers. The shared faith with the predominantly Muslim country also influences some Filipinos' decision to work there. Qatar. Qatar is a significant employment market for Filipinos, particularly after the recent Football World Cup 2022 event. The country offers high salary packages, tax-free income, and a wide range of job opportunities, especially in the construction sector. Japan. Japan has a strong labor market and a thriving economy, making it an attractive destination for overseas Filipino workers seeking employment. Filipinos are willing to work in Japan due to the country's economic stability and job opportunities. The United Arab Emirates. This country represents a significant employment market for Filipinos, with high demand in sectors such as hospitality and engineering. It offers the prospect of earning a competitive salary, experiencing an elevated standard of living, and a sense of cultural familiarity due to the large Filipino community. Hong Kong. Hong Kong is known for hosting a large population of Filipino domestic workers, offering commendable wages and employment opportunities, a popular destination for seeking domestic sector jobs and services. Kuwait. It is a sought-after destination for overseas Filipino workers due to its numerous job opportunities and high wages. The country's economy is bolstered by various commercial sectors, including steel, textiles, ships, vehicles, and electronics, which offer lucrative positions for Filipino workers. Taiwan. This country is an attractive destination for overseas Filipino workers due to its strong labor market and thriving economy. The nation offers a wide range of job opportunities and is known for providing high-paying positions for Filipino workers, further enhancing its appeal as a work destination. Canada. This place is a popular destination for overseas Filipino workers, particularly for those seeking employment opportunities under free trade agreements. The country offers various programs for foreign workers, including the Working Holiday Visa, which allows citizens of certain countries, including the Philippines, to work and travel in Canada for up to 12 months. Canada's robust economy and diverse job market make it an attractive option for Filipino workers seeking international employment. These countries attract overseas Filipino workers due to factors such as favorable working conditions, high pay, and job opportunities in different sectors. The decision to work in a specific country is often influenced by the individual's skills, qualifications, and the potential for a better life.